Okay, what's up, Jade? If you are here for the first time here, please can subscribe to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you some mistakes like a lot of people YouTubers make. Lots of upcoming, especially you, if you are upcoming YouTuber, please stay tuned. Watch the video to the very end. I'm going to show you some mistakes. People make a video. After making a video that, okay, this video is for food, I have to put it in some categories. That's what I'm going to show you. You have to do that setting so that I can get more views and subscribers. Because after making a food video or after making a gaming video or after making a traveling video, I have to know the kind of category that the video fall in. So these are the mistakes that I'm going to show you step by step. So a lot of people created a video, can create a video today, it can take like 1 year. You see that you are getting like 20k, you see that you can get 5 views, 10 views, 15 views and those stuff. So I've created this channel purposely to teach everybody step by step. So if you are here for the first time, please can subscribe to this channel. This channel is going to help you. I've learned a lot. I've do a research about YouTube. So this is my 5th channel I've created. So I'm teaching everybody step by step because I'm getting a lot of DMs. So that I have to do a video and teach you guys how to become a successful YouTuber and also earn something from your video or your content. Everybody is here to make money. We don't here to do a video and put it there. At the end of the month, I don't get anything. So these are some mistakes a lot of YouTubers make, especially you are upcoming YouTubers. So I'm going to show you everything step by step. If you're here for the first time, please can subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have a lot of things to bring it out here. I'm going to show you some copyright to and some videos have to do a lot of things here. So this video I'm going to show you purposely for turning on doing these settings so that I can get more views and subscribers. So let's go straight to the point here. Let me show you everything step by step. So you take your phone, you go to YouTube, www.youtube studio. Understand? Or you go to the YouTube Studio app and go and put these settings on so that I can get more views and subscribers. So let's get started.
Your YouTube Studio app. I'm using the app so that you can see. So first of all, open your YouTube Studio. Let me turn your phone. I'm using phone to do it. Okay, this is a new channel I've created. I have 8 subscribers. So these are some of the videos that I've uploaded it. You understand? And these are some of the views. I just created a channel. So I just want to build everything step by step so that you can know. So first of all, go to the video. I did the video. Let me go to content. I hope you are paying attention like that. Okay. So you see this one. I did video about how to buy a data bundle, and this one is a music. Okay, let us use the music. Understand? So we type on a content like that. Just type on it. If you have upload the video on YouTube already, don't worry. Go to your studio, YouTube Studio. That's what I'm going to show you. So we type on a pencil. You see this pencil? You type on a pencil like that. I'm showing you everything step by step. So after the pencil, you see the down here. Just check the down here. You see the down here. Tag, short, remix, categories, and more. Just type on it. You see? So type on it. So these are some of the tags. I have to show you this one too because this one is not part, but I have to show you. You see the tags? You have to tag everything. So because this one is a music video, so you have to tag anything about music. You can tag anything. You can even tag some most subscribers. You can even tag Mr. B here. You can even tag anybody at all. You understand? Anything at all. So me, I tag music trending video, those stuff is plenty over here. You can tag Nigeria, Nollywood, Hollywood, those big stars. You can tag them here. Any name, just tag anything at all. Okay, So this, let's go to the main one. So this is what I'm going to show you. So is a music video. So these are some of the categories that you have to pay attention about it, because a lot of people made a mistake. After uploading the video, they just upload the video just like that. You're not getting view. If you upload a video and the video is comedy and it just the category, you put the category on music, music people don't watch your video. So YouTube will not what do you call, distribute your video to people. When YouTube distribute the video to what do you call, those people who love music, they will not watch your comedy, because the video is a comedy. So I have to put it in comedy. So the video that I'm doing is a music. Just come straight forward and look the category, the video that we shoot. If it's a music, if it's a gaming, if it's a filming, if it's entertainment, education, like teaching, as I'm teaching you now, it's an education video. So you can just put it in, you can just put it education. So this is the music video. If I change the video, if I change the music to, let's say, comedy, people will not watch. That 59 views that I'm getting right now, that's all. People will not go and watch it again unless I myself watch the video. So you just come back and remove the comedy from there. Just come. It's a music video. Just put it here like that. Just simple as that. Music video. Guys, I didn't understand it. So subscribe to this channel. I'm going to teach you everything step by step here.